Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to show you how you can fix Realme XT or Realme XT Pro front calling or air speaker not working problem. So before the starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to tap on the bell icon for more latest videos like. So if you're facing Realme XT or Realme XT Pro air speaker not working problem, simply first of all you just need to go to settings. So first just open settings application and watch complete video, follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video to fix this problem.